Alright, so we started from the rear. It's going to be pretty easy. What I did is I actually took out these 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3. And then I aligned the bottom of the part with it, re-put them back, screwed them up. That actually aligns with the body. And then after that, I just put the small screws that comes with the washers, put them in place. There's actually already pre-drilled holes. There's a mark on that, even though you cannot really see them here because there's a wrap. Let me check on the other side, for example, here. So there's small marks actually along the fender that you will see. So if you don't have a wrap, you will basically see little dots. That's where those screws go. So that's what you're going to be pre-drilling and aligning. Pretty easy. Done. Now we're going to pad. I'm going to move to the next step, which is this one. I need to figure out how I'm going to put it. I believe this is on the other side. Is it? No, this is the right side. So this one will go right here, I believe. Where does it go? We'll figure out. Oh, I actually believe it's the other side. Yeah, probably got it wrong. So where's the other one? The other one's right here. So that's the next one. The next we're gonna put. Yeah, makes a little bit more sense. Same. There's 3 drill holes that are aligned. Shouldn't be too complex. Where are this? Trying to figure out which one it is, but I will find out and then I will let you guys know. Here it is, guys. This is the part that we're gonna align. So as you can see, there's 3 holes here. What we're gonna do, they're pre-drilled. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just slide it under and align it with the other one, and then we're gonna screw everything from the bottom to make sure that it holds in place and it's on the right side. So that should be pretty fast, and that's gonna give us the right emplacement, and then we can drill the other screws and put it in place. Alright guys, what we're gonna do is step number 1, we're gonna remove the screw that it's right here. So this one should be right there. You can remove it. Once we remove that, we're gonna align the fender on it, put that one back. You will see that it actually takes, let me show you on the other end, which I already completed. It takes it right here. Don't tighten it up all the way to the end. Wait until you put the other ones. All of those are going to be the small screws, except for this one. This one's going to be the large one. And then these 3, 4 over there is going to be the large one, as well as the one on the inside. And then all the other ones are going to be small. And then you're going to be ready to go. So now we're going to do the same thing on the other end. Put the new fender. We already completed the back, as you can see there. And as you can see on the other end as well, looks really good. Here it also looks really good as well. Gives a really nice Batman look that I call, but really easy. I'm gonna do a review once I put the last part of it, and then we can go on. All right, we completed. So this is what we did. As I mentioned, we put the screw at the bottom just to hold it. Then we used the long screws here, and then long screws here, here, well, here, 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 and here. And then all those are actually the small ones. And then that, make sure that we align. Now it's really strong and steady, and it's protecting everything. So now it's up and ready to go. These are the Can-Am ones. There's multiple vendors that, and we can sell them with different prices. So as I mentioned, the sponsor is gonna have a coupon code on the description. You can go on the link. They're really not expensive compared to other brands. Quality is perfect. They are sturdy and they hold really well. So they look perfect. They look like the OGM. So AOM, sorry. They look really good. Gives that Batman look to it. As you can see, it's a little bit windy, but you know, I'm trying to record it. I'll take a couple of videos and as well some photos so I can add it so you can see the look. But this is pretty much what it does. It looks really great. I love it. Another view from the side right here.